Hi Hustlers! Today, bibisitahin natin yung mga museums in Manila na walking distance lang within each other. And ang maganda dito, free sila lahat.
Una naming pinuntahan ang National Museum of Natural History, then National Museum of Anthropology, tapos yung Planetarium, and then National Museum of Fine Arts. Lahat to within Luneta lang, so pwedeng lakarin. Malapit lang din sa SM Manila if ayaw mo na mag-museums. Nag-MRT ako hanggang Taft, then nag-transfer lines ako sa LRT hanggang UN. Tapos mga 5 to 10 minutes walk na lang to Natural History Museum. Bawal mag-video inside the museums kaya puro slideshow na to next. Open from Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Free entrance sa lahat kaya may tendency na maraming tao. Ganda ng architecture ng building, very modern tingnan. Mostly, nature yung mga exhibits. Next is National Museum of Anthropology. Mostly tradition and culture yung exhibits dito. Sobrang haba ng mga write-ups kaya di ko na binasa. Sana next time naka what, when, where, why, how, and then may question for the audience na lang yung write-up sa mga exhibits sa museum. Same schedule, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday, and then free entrance.
She got a love so strong, I can't forget it. The lips so sweet, I can't forget it. Oh, she rocks so hard, I can't forget it. She rolls.
Next is National Planetarium. Halos 1 hour kaming pumila dito, tapos mga 20 minutes lang kami sa loob. Open from Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Ang high contrast sa loob. I think kids will like this museum the most kasi ang colorful and ang daming ilaw. Last one is National Museum of Fine Arts. Mostly paintings and sculpture. Nandito yung Espolarium ni Juan Luna. Maganda yung gallery. Siguro if mag-isa lang ako nag-visit, sobrang tagal ko sa bawat post ng museums kasi babasahin ko lahat. Nag-enjoy ako today. Sadly, wala akong bagong natutunan in terms of history dahil I look lang at the visuals without digesting yung mga write-ups. Medyo sayang nga eh. Nag-enjoy ako pero di ako natuto. I think I should try harder next time to learn. Baka bumalik ako next time ng mag-isa para I can take my time to read and digest the knowledge being presented. Yan lang. Keep hustling.
And she bring it all night and day. She got me all wrapped up, y'all, and I can't seem to get away.